going to be doing is the very common Diet Coke and Mentos fountain. And I'm sure you've all heard of this, so let's go have some fun. Well, basically, all you need for this experiment is a big bottle of Diet Coke and some Mentos.
In addition to the Diet Coke and Mentos, you also need a cardboard tube to fit the Mentos comfortably and a piece of cardboard paper. Okay, so for our first experiment, I'm going to be leading you through the procedures, okay? So what you want to do is you want to start out with the cardboard piece of paper and the cardboard tube, and you're going to place it on top like this. And just for our first experiment, we're going to be using 5 Mentos. And so you're going to put all 5 of them in. And once again, the tube isn't too big nor too small. So then, you have to pick these 2 up, and next step.
Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is, like that, we're going to unscrew the Coke. Alright, there's the fizz. Alright, our Coke is unscrewed. Have everything in here. So that you're going to want to put it like this, so that the tube is directly over it. And then slowly pull away the cardboard and run!
Now that we've completed our experiment with 5 Mentos, now we're going to move on and do 10 Mentos. So once again, we're going to open the bottle. The fizz!
Oh my god, it was amazing!
It's so good!
Yeah! Alright, hey guys, we're back, and this is day 2. This time, we're going to take it to a completely new level and use 15 Mentos. Now, to save time, I've already preloaded them into this tube. So, let's do it. The fizz. All right. Ready, and go. Woo! Yeah!
The Mythbusters are going to have a blast.
The most common theory about what's going on in this reaction between the candy and the soda is what's called nucleation. Basically, the idea is that the surface of the candy is covered with microscopic pits and lots of more surface area than you can actually see. And each little pit, each little corner provides what's called a nucleation site, or a place where a carbon dioxide bubble can form and escape.
Look at a Mentos close-up, and it's like the surface of the moon. And that might be the candy key. Drop one in cola, and every tiny crater provides a site where a CO2 molecule can change to gas. Because Mentos are so pitted, the theory is that millions of CO2 bubbles are formed in a very short space of time. And because the candy sinks and this rapid release of gas happens at the bottom of the cola, you get that famous fountain. To test this nucleation theory, they're going to start with a control. 1 regular mint Mentos dropped in soda water. And sure enough, it gets the bubbly party started. Now, to do a comparison.
These two candies are made by the same manufacturer, and as far as I'm aware, even using the same process. But the colored version of this actually has a glazing over it. It's a wax coating or a sealer that inhibits the nucleation process that the other one achieves quite readily.
The shiniest surface should lower the nucleation sites, meaning less of an immediate eruption.
That's not doing anything more than the wall of the plastic bottle itself.
Sure enough, with the smooth Mentos, there ain't no whiz with the fizz. The Mythbusters can say they finally cracked the case of the candy and cola cascade.
So, for our first experiment, what we're going to do is I'm going to lead you through the procedure. So first, you're going to take your piece of cardboard paper and put your cardboard tube on top. And then you're going to open the Mentos. And for our first experiment, we're going to be using 5 Mentos. Should we start over?
Okay.
Up the stakes to a completely new level and do it with 15 Mentos. Alright. Now we take Mentos. Alright, so once again, center it and pull away the cardboard and run! Alright, there's the fizz. The fizz! The fizz! The fizz. The fizz. Well, as you can see, the bare Coke exploded remnants of our previous 2 experiments are destroyed, completely and utterly destroyed behind us. And now we move on to our 3rd and final Diet Coke bomb. This one, we're going to use 15 Mentos. Let's see what happens. Alright, load these all into the tube.